students, Mr. Chen here. If you're watching this video, it's probably right around here, which is February 1. Hey, we've made it to February. There we are. It's study day for the Chapter 14 test. Now, we have learned a lot of subjects, a lot of different things, a broad range of topics, technologies that are coming out, industry in the North, the people in the North and how they lived. That was lessons 1 and 2, and then lessons 3 and 4 were very different. We learned about the South and how it was very agricultural, the dark stain of slavery, very little industry, and the people down there, how most people were small-time farmers, not plantation owners or slave owners. Yet the plantation class dominated Southern, economics and politics, and all those things. They held all the power. And now it's time for the test. So we're going to test your knowledge on this. We have all your sort of assets here, your tools to review. We've got the summary here, which still for some reason doesn't want to pop up, but you can just pop it out. Here it is. There it is. A nice little sort of important facts from each lesson. You've got the forum itself here. You've got the study guide. If you can answer all the questions on the study guide, not that they'll all necessarily be on there and in that form, but if you go, okay, I know what the Underground Railroad was. How did transportation change trade in the West? What was a telegraph? Things like that, and you're probably in pretty good shape to pass the test. The forum, summary, study guide, went over all of it. Hey, a good tip I have for everyone is maybe reread the chapter. Here's your online book. You should all have access to it. If you don't, or you forget what your username and password is, hey, just let me know. Send me a Canvas message. I've got it all. But hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all here. Bangarang. Take a look. There's some cool resources here for you too. And it's all here. Same as if you had the physical textbook. Most of you just have the online version. That's it for 14. Looking at the test, the preview for it, questions 1 and 2 and 3 are the matching. That's 15 points right there. And then a whole lot of multiple choice questions. Some familiar, some new. No essay question on this one. And it ends with a 1-point true and false question. So no essay question. I believe it is 55 points. Mid-range to bigger size. And then we'll be moving on to our next chapter, which is about reform. Where's my online book? Here it is. So we're on North and South. We'll be moving into, there we go, the spirit of reform, then toward Civil War, the Civil War. That's what we're building to. Now, one thing I wanted to note, if I can find our module page. All right, so today is February 1. Have all our review. Surprise, February 2, Friday. Right here, then tomorrow, in service day. So there's no school, which means you have today, tomorrow, if you choose to, and really the entire weekend if you want, to prepare for the test, which is going to be due February 5th. So you have a lot of time to study for this one. Maybe a little time to relax on Friday. Take it easy. Chill. You've earned it. That's it for now. I wish you the best of luck. Shoot me a message if you have any questions. You will have 3 attempts on the test. You have 3 attempts on every assignment, pretty much. And if you don't, it's because I forgot to change it from 2 to 3. So just ask. And honestly, if you manage to flub 3 of them and you want to do another one, that's fine with me. Just shoot me a message. I'll always give you more attempts if you're willing to give me more tries. Little Yun tip of the day there. All right. Best of luck. Have a wonderful day, and have a great long weekend.